What's going on YouTube? Today we got something a little different we're working on. Trying to figure out the issue, but I'm locked out the trunk again. The second time in about 2 months. Been messing with the battery, got it changed. Closed the trunk and got locked out. But luckily I was able to jump with my wife's car. But now, seems like I blew a fuse. I think it's an F94 fuse. Well, I'm not really gonna be able to tell until I get in the trunk, but since the fuse is blown, there's absolutely no access to the trunk. Even if you jump through the front, it won't work like it did before. Coming to find out that like all these F30 models, well, this is a 2013 320i. It's actually a rear wheel drive. I live in Florida, and I guess like you mainly see the X drives. I know that they've manufactured and pushed a lot of those in like New York and North America or Northern America. And they came with a Skiaccess, but this one doesn't have like a Skiaccess per se, because this is just like a steel backing. Even if you were to remove the seats, you still get this steel right here. In those other models, this will pull down and it's literally just a trunk access. You can, I guess it's for skis, but you can go back there and, you know, pull the trunk latch. But in this specific model, I mean, they're all different. Every time I look up something, I have not seen this yet. So I confirmed, I pushed through this little hole. There's nothing but like, not even foam back there. So what we're gonna do today is make a custom Skiaccess or like a panel. I just got a self-oscillating tool. I'm gonna cut around here. I did confirm that, I mean, as long as I keep these steel rails here and I don't cut up too high, it won't, you know, damage anything structurally. I would assume that this is, you know, welded on, has to do with stabilization, you know, so I don't want to mess with any of that. But at the same time, I do need to make something so that I don't keep getting locked out of my trunk. I mean, you know, we're gonna have to do a little DIY custom here, but I'm all out of options. So I'm gonna be using this dewalt atomic self-oscillating tool. I didn't want to use the Dremel. Just needed something that was going to get the job done. I don't really have time to experiment, so. What's the point of an emergency like pulley if you can't get into it, you know? So regardless, I think it's a good upgrade. I'm also gonna, you know, clean up some of these edges. I know it's sharp. I did cut myself trying to reach through here, but what I ended up doing, obviously I made this hole and I tried to use a hanger, but it was too flimsy, because I mean, we're looking at like 3 feet back here, probably, I don't know, 2.5, 3 feet, maybe more. The hanger was just too flimsy and it wouldn't hit the lock. So I got a pry bar from Home Depot, 3 feet. Took me a while, but I mean, luckily I've got long arms, so I was able to stick my arm in here and kind of finagle this, like, the latch. I'll show you a picture of it. Make sure you have this done too, so there's no accidents. But yeah, right here, I had to use the crowbar to